Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this ScreenPal guide for 2026, I'll show you how to update ScreenPal to the latest version. Keeping ScreenPal updated ensures you have access to the newest features, security improvements, bug fixes, and performance enhancements. So let's get started. First, open ScreenPal on your computer and sign in to your account if required. Before updating, it's a good idea to save any ongoing projects to prevent accidental data loss during the update process. Next, check your current ScreenPal version. You can usually find version information in the Settings, About, Help, or Application Information section of the software, and that's how to update ScreenPal. By keeping your software current, you can enjoy improved stability, better performance, enhanced security, and access to the newest tools available in ScreenPal. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.